Love has many faces. Sometimes it's the collective embrace of a community that can mend a broken heart. But before the healing, there's often a long night of the soul. Yet even in our darkest moments, love finds a way to reach us. Sometimes it's the smallest gestures that plant the seeds of hope.
Sarah, we're so glad you could make it.
And with each act of kindness, the world begins to bloom anew. Until one day, we find ourselves ready to rejoin the dance of life. For in the end, it is love, in all its forms, that truly heals us.